Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Orno para Fundir metals is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious metalworker, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in melting down various metals for casting, jewelry making, or repair work, ensuring that your creative projects come to life with professional-grade results and durability. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV845 BSS. Meet the Breville Smart Oven Pro, a high-performance countertop oven designed for modern home cooks. It's engineered to help you create delicious meals with precision and ease. Our Element IQ system uses smart algorithms and 5 independent quartz elements to deliver precise cooking. It directs power where and when it's needed, creating the perfect environment for your food. With its convection setting, you can reduce cooking time by up to 30%. An integrated fan circulates hot air, stripping away cold air to cook your meals faster and more evenly. Explore a world of culinary possibilities with 10 cooking functions. From toasting and baking to roasting and slow cooking, it offers incredible versatility for any meal. Master the art of slow cooking with its dedicated function. Tenderize meats and develop deep flavors over hours, with an automatic switch to keep warm when done. This oven boasts a large interior capacity, easily accommodating a 13-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a Dutch oven for slow cooking. It's perfect for feeding the entire family. An integrated oven light automatically illuminates your food at the end of the cooking cycle. This makes it easy to check on your creations without disturbing the cooking process. What we like. This oven offers precise cooking with its smart element control and convection fan. It boasts 10 versatile functions, from toasting to slow cooking. If you're looking for a countertop oven that can handle a wide variety of tasks with precision and speed, this is a fantastic choice for everyday meals and more complex recipes. What people say. The Breville oven does everything else. It toasts bread, bagels, bakes chicken wings, pies, cakes, and anything you can fit inside it. It is convenient. It can handle a roast or a chicken. But it can also make a nice baked potato and roasted vegetables. This is a great little device for the single cook. The window tells you what level to put the baking rack at. The bottom tray pulls out for easy cleaning. Number 4. 3-0 Sterile Sutures Thread with Needle. Introducing our Sterile Sutures Thread with Needle, designed for medical and nursing students. It's perfect for practicing surgical techniques. This kit includes a stitching pad for realistic training. Develop your skills in a safe and controlled environment. Ideal for first aid field emergencies and demonstrations. Its versatility makes it a must-have for various training scenarios. This product is also suitable for veterinary training. Ensure you're prepared for a wide range of medical practice needs. Each suture is sterile and features a black monofilament thread. You can trust its quality for effective practice and demonstration. What we like. This is a sterile suture thread with a needle, perfect for medical and nursing students. It's designed for surgical practice, first aid demonstrations, and veterinary use. If you need a reliable and sterile option for practicing suturing techniques or for emergency field demonstrations, this kit provides the essential tools. What people say. These sutures are excellent quality, strong, sterile, and very easy to work with. The needle is sharp and smooth, making the process quick and precise. Very durable and easy to use. Number 3. Novella Iron 8 PCS Crucibles for Melting Metal Kit. Experience dependable high-temperature melting with our premium crucibles. Designed with advanced ceramic technology, they can withstand extreme temperatures up to 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit 1,800 degrees Celsius. The included stainless steel handle ensures ease of use. This comprehensive set includes 4 ceramic quartz crucibles, each capable of holding 250 G of melted gold, and 2 upgraded, larger crucibles that can hold 600 G. It also comes with 2 stainless steel tongs for precise metal melting. Our crucibles are designed with tapered sidewalls and a spout, making material removal and pouring simple. This ergonomic design ensures a more productive and effortless workflow for your projects. These crucibles are perfect for a wide range of casting processes. They handle metals like platinum, gold, and silver with ease, promising consistent quality for any project. Enhance their efficiency by gradually heating them and pre-using borax glazing. These practices ensure peak performance and prolong their lifespan for long-term use. What we like. This kit features premium fused quartz crucibles that can withstand extremely high temperatures, up to 1800 degrees Celsius. It includes multiple sizes, with upgraded larger options for bigger batches, and convenient tongs. If you are serious about melting metals like gold and silver and need dependable, high-capacity crucibles for your casting projects, this set offers excellent performance and value. What people say. Casting silver. This is a very nice tool to have. They hold a decent amount of material and it heats up fast. Worked great for smelting gold and reducing other metals in gold. The crucible seems really well made. Crucible holding clamps that come with it are very nice to have. Got more than I thought. Great little set. If you're only after smaller crucibles like I was, these are great products. Number 2. Victoria 0.5 quart cast iron saucepan. Experience natural cooking with our cast iron pot, seasoned with flaxseed oil and free from harmful chemicals. Its design ensures easy pouring, making your cooking experience smoother. Crafted from durable cast iron, this pot offers excellent heat retention and features a comfortable ergonomic handle. It's perfectly sized for sauces, dips, or even small portions of soup. To ensure its longevity, this pan requires special care. Avoid air drying or using a dishwasher. Please follow the included instructions for proper maintenance. This versatile pot is suitable for various cooking methods. Use it on induction, gas, or electric stovetops, in the oven, on a grill, or even over a campfire. Proudly manufactured in Colombia since 1939, our cast iron cookware is made with resource-efficient materials. Invest in quality that is built to last for generations. What we like. This small cast iron saucepan is pre-seasoned with flaxseed oil for natural cooking and features convenient drip-free spouts. Its excellent heat retention makes it ideal for sauces and dips. If you appreciate the benefits of cast iron for small batch cooking and want a durable, versatile pot that can go from stovetop to oven to campfire, this is a great option for everyday use. What people say. Heats well and fast. Good for single servings. Easy to clean if you're familiar with cast iron. Pan looks great. Very sturdy. Not sticky. Items come out of pan as it's pre-seasoned. Arrived in great shape. Seasoning on it was good and it come a lot smoother than my lodge stuff. First thing cooked and it was pot of rice and didn't stick at all, slid right out. Number 1. 7 pieces graphite torch melting casting kit. Introducing a comprehensive 7-piece kit designed for all your melting and casting needs. It includes everything you need for DIY projects involving precious metals and more. Crafted from high-density graphite, these molds offer excellent thermal stability and rapid cooling. This ensures shorter casting times and saves energy, making your work more efficient. This kit is perfect for smelting non-ferrous metals like gold, silver, and copper. It's also ideal for laboratory experiments, test analysis, and small-capacity metal melting projects. Made from reliable, high-density graphite, these tools are built to last. They are not easily broken or deformed, providing a great user experience for extended periods. The kit comes with a convenient combination of tools, including crucibles, stir sticks, and tongs. It's designed to meet your DIY requirements with ease and efficiency. Featuring specific dimensions for crucibles, stir rods, and ingot molds, this set is optimized for precision. It ensures accurate results for your metalworking endeavors. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of graphite tools for melting and casting metals. It includes various molds, a quartz crucible, and tongs, all designed for excellent thermal stability and fast cooling. If you're engaged in small-capacity metal melting projects, jewelry making, or refining precious metals like gold and silver, this reliable graphite kit offers efficiency and durability for your DIY needs. What people say. The tongs are handy because the graphite crucible gets really hot. Came well packaged and ready to use. Crucible held together well. Make sure to heat your crucible up slowly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.